Welcome. In front of me I have the Tapo Indoor-Outdoor Home Security Wi-Fi camera, which is just a mouthful. And I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So this product is from TP-LINK by the looks of it. Oh, it looks like it's already kind of ripped off right here, so let's just, there we go, do it like this. So yank that off and some paperwork. Okay, nothing else. So more paperwork, mounting points right here. That's a pretty cool thing. You just stick it onto the wall and then you can just drill in these points, and the little mounting for camera will obviously fit on there. Now let's see. Okay, so here is the little mounting thingy thing, and it is actually magnetically attached. Pretty neat design. You can just kind of see. And it holds pretty well. Like, there is no way in hell this is gonna come off. Now, when it comes to the camera itself, try to figure out how was this on here. Pretty sure it was flush. Is it like this? Oh, it was like this. Okay. So here it is. Pretty compact. Yank that off. We have two flashes. What looks to be a microphone, I presume, and obviously the lens itself. Type-C at the back for power, and it comes, just place it like this, and it comes with a brick. This is most likely the cheapest thing, up 5 watts of power, so nothing really substantial right here, and a pretty lengthy cable. And this looks like it's going to be like 2 meters long about. I don't really want to like undo it right here. I don't have even enough space to do that. And then we got clips for cable, so you can route it, and a couple screws, along with whatever you call these. So there we go. Now, just yoink that all to the side. And on the box, we have just a bit of an info. So we have a 2K Quad HD resolution for recording, and we have superior starlight color night vision. So this actually comes with night vision. So these are not flashes, these are infrared lights. Next we have free smart AI detection. That's a very weird way of describing it. Does it detect AI, or it's using AI to detect? And in this case, what does it detect with it? In any case, next we have IP66 water and dust resistant. Now resistant, not proof, which means that it probably can be splashed with water and it will just function, but submerged wise, not so much. Color night vision with spotlights. So again, it refers to the two lights. That's about everything that there is to it. Now at the back we have just a little bit more. Oh yep, there we go. 940 nm IR LED, so it is infrared. Like I mentioned, we also have capture shot, more revealing images with 1.7x more pixels than 1080p. Well then that's not Quad HD now, is it? So it is below Quad HD actually. So there is already a bit of a misinformation right here. It's not 2K. Anything else? Two-way audio. We have local and cloud storage. That's pretty neat. Right, there was also something that I seen here. Oh, so we do have a SD card right here that I can utilize, but you can also obviously use the cloud storage or local storage, as it is connected through Wi-Fi, so it can just on the go just deposit it to, for instance, like a drive or something. Active zones. So set up your own active zones to only record alerts that matter. So, for instance, you can have it so that specific area on the camera, let me just say, like, if you have an image like this one, right? If you have garage door, you open and close it, you can set it so it doesn't like get affected by the garage door opening and closing, which is a pretty neat thing. Customizable black zones. Now this, I'm not sure what that is. Set customizable black zones to keep that's basically the same thing. So it looks like they're just filling out the page right here with a nothing burger. They're basically saying the same thing in a different way. Alarm system, trigger lights and sounds as an alarm when motion is detected. So there we go, that's basically everything that there is to it. So, that's it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.